Hello everyone, how are you? Now in today's video I want to talk about one of my favorite resources to use when creating a new character, which is creating a mood board. I think creating a mood board is really helpful so you can have visual ideas of your characters. So if you saw some previous videos of mine, I talked about writing your character before drawing them. Now usually my next step is to create a visual mood board of them. Will allow you to gather amazing and inspiring ideas for your new characters, as well as help you visualize your character better. So let's go through how to do it. First, you need to select a platform. You can do a physical mood board, for example print images you found on the internet. You can cut photos on magazines that you found and glue them into a sheet of paper, or even if you have a corkboard at home, you can pin all these things into your corkboard and have that mood board always next to you. Another option, and this is the one I find easier and the one I use the most, is to use Pinterest. Pinterest is really helpful for creating mood boards because, well, that's the goal of Pinterest really. So you can just go there, create your account, create a new board, then search for themes, outfits and anything that you think is related to your character and pin them to that new board. So now once you found your platform, it's time to brainstorm your themes. So for example, are you planning to create a witchy character? Then you might want to find something like witchcraft. Just type that and see what appears to you. Right now you just see things about witchcraft, the practicing of witchcraft, but I don't know, this might be interesting for you because maybe your witch character works mostly with crystals or with candles, and you might want to have some research on it for when drawing them. For example, if you want your character practicing any kind of witchcraft, it might be interesting for you to know a bit more of those practices. You can also look for something like potions, and you'll have images of potions and some visuals. If you want to draw potions, you have here some examples of bottles that you can draw later on. The colors, everything about it might be interesting for you to draw. You might also want to search for black cats, crystals, tarot cards. You get the idea. Anything that is related to the character you're going to make, search for that. If you find any image that is interesting for you, pin it and go for the next one. Pinterest is especially helpful to find hairstyles and outfits. You'll find any kind of outfit and hairstyle in here. So if you need any help with that, if you need some inspiration with that, go to Pinterest and you'll find something that is interesting for you. So if you found any outfit that is interesting, pin it to your board. Anything that you think is related to your character and you think it will fit your character story and personality, pin it into your mood board. It will really help you later on. And that's pretty much it. Once you have a nice selection of pins, you can start drawing. Just get inspired by all those amazing references that you gathered and start sketching. So when you get your board, when you think you're done with your board, open it up or have it right beside you and start sketching your character with the inspiration you just got. Look at your board from time to time, draw that outfit that you saw. Maybe you won't draw your character in that specific outfit, but it will help you get more ideas for them as you sketch. Maybe it will be a mix of that specific outfit with another one that you saw. Maybe it's something that you have at home as well. So just having all these visual cues will help you get inspiration, because sometimes we're trying to think about things, trying to have ideas, and truth is there's nothing there. There's just nothing, and it happens, and it's really normal. So that's why we make these mood boards, we make these visual boards, so we get inspiration and have ideas that we can actually see right away, and it's not just from the imagination of our head. So this is it. This is one of my favorite resources to use when creating a new character. I hope this was helpful for you, and if it was, remember to like and subscribe, and as always, keep on drawing.